we're now at the AXA stand, being joined by Jeremy and Miles. Jeremy, thank you for taking the time to talk to us. So you were telling me this is your first Airmic, so probably a nice place to start. How are you finding it?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, Liverpool's a great city. Not been here that often. Conference is set up really, really well. Lots of stands, very busy. Lots of people, lots of clients. Met some new people, bumped into a lot of old faces as well, which is always great. It's a great opportunity for us to see some of our existing clients, talk to some potential new ones, and see friends and colleagues. So far, really good. It's just a shame it's a bit warm in here.
Oh, but that is British summers, come on.
Yeah,
heat in Liverpool is a good thing. So
yeah, absolutely.
Let's not moan too much. So what are AXA? What are you guys doing here over the couple of days?
Well, obviously the focus is on technology and digital and stuff like that. So we've been talking about some of our new products with some of the clients. Obviously here to talk about existing business we've got with them as well. It's really important for us to have a presence at things like this because the vast majority of our clients are risk managed clients. So getting them all in a captive place is really useful for us. Really important couple of days for us.
Okay. And any particular kind of themes and topics that risk managers bring into you?
Yeah, I mean, I think some of the things that were coming out last year are still fairly prevalent. Things like cyber, which is becoming more and more important. We've been talking a lot about parametric as well, and some other stuff. I think really there's obviously quite a lot of talk about our upcoming acquisition of XL Catlin and what that will bring. Unfortunately, we can't give too many answers at the moment because it's still working on closing the deal. But generally speaking, we're getting really positive feedback from the risk managers. We're hoping that's going to enable us to bring even more products to the table and provide more solutions.
Oh, great. Well, great. Well, honestly, thank you for taking the time to talk to us. Hope you have a great conference and enjoy number one.
Thank you.
Thank you.